What's up, guys? Welcome back to Piggy Garage. Today I have a really exciting car, probably one of my most favorite cars, a 2019 Gt3rs Weissach Package. So pretty much what this car has that differentiates it from the regular 992 or 991.2 Gt3rs is the Weissach package. And what that gives you is carbon fiber hood, carbon fiber roof, and carbon fiber rear wing. Really nicely spec'd car. This is white, beautiful car, beautifully optioned. Black wheels. I'll do a little b-roll for you guys. I mean, you guys know about this car, how amazing this car is, so I'm not going to waste too much time with details. It's over 500 horsepower. It is a 4.0 liter 6-cylinder engine from Porsche. This thing is incredibly fast. 0 to 60 under 3 seconds. This thing rips. It's an awesome car. I mean, really beautiful car. Nice Gt3rs logo on the side. Carbon ceramic brakes. The white little option. I forget how much these are. I think it's like $600 just to have this. Pretty much they clean the headlights, but it's just like the squirter is kind of like the windshield wiper fluid. And then this series. To have this whitened is also very expensive. This car was optioned nicely with the green lizard green interior, nice green contrast stitching, white dials. I mean, awesome carbon fiber steering wheel. These seats hug you amazingly. This car has every option except for the front axle lift. So, PDK Sport, suspension modes, exhaust. Really awesome car. It also has carbon fiber floor mats. Nice metal pedals as well. Nice Gt3rs logo on the side here. Also with the Weissach pack, you get the green Weissach lettering up here. Well, green because it was spec'd with the lizard green interior. You know, the attention to detail is just beautiful in this car. Carbon fiber everywhere. Smells amazing. Alcantara on the sides. It's a phenomenal car. Big wing. This car is amazing. It's like the pinnacle of cars. Super glad to be able to bring it to you guys today and be able to drive this thing and give you guys a little review of it. I can tell you right now, it's a phenomenal car. You put the numbers away, horsepower, everything, and you just get in and drive this car and you'll be surely amazed. I mean, the first time I was in one of these, it blew my mind, and that was a 991.1. Thank you, Sonny, for that privilege. I drove that car and it was phenomenal. I mean, just the gearing, the shifts, lightning shifts, this one revs to 9,000. The other one, the 991.1 rev to like 8,500 or something like that. Still crazy. I mean, the smile that this car will put on your face is a light car, so it's just super quick. I mean, you put horsepower away and you just, this car will blow your mind away. So I'm not going to waste any more time and take you guys around the car so you can see it once again. Beautiful Gt3rs. And I have a thing for white. This thing is awesome. I also like in the new 19s, they went away with the clear white tail lights. I didn't like that in the older generations that much. A lot of people, what they do is they white out these side skirts. I also did a video of this car compared to the Euro Garage's GT2RS in Aero Blue. You guys can check that out as well. I'll do a little card up here for you guys, but freaking amazing car right here. Huge tires in the back. I think they're Yep, 325s in the rear. You have 265s up front. Pilot Cup Sport 2 tires, Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, second generation of the tire. My 350R has the first generation, but I'm not going to waste any more time, guys. I'm going to get in the car and give you guys a little, driving experience review of this thing. You sit low to the ground, your butt is on the road. Yeah, I mean, you can see my shoulders at the door, and it is like just a big go-kart. It just hugs the road. I mean, it's just a blast to drive. I mean, I love driving it. Every time that I get an opportunity to get in this thing, it blows my mind away. I can understand why people spend the amount of money they do on a vehicle like this. I mean, it just is next caliber. I have the GT350R, and as that car, I think, is, my level 10 brings me to that level 10. This car, I mean, it just kind of craps on cars like that. This thing is just wicked. It pretty much makes any amateur driver a professional driver. Like, to drive this car fast is not hard at all, and then just it corners like no other. Rev this thing all day and it'll just bring a smile to your face. Oh. And the G's. I mean, this car proves that, power to weight ratio is above and beyond everything else. I mean, it's just, it's without a shadow of a doubt, just an amazing vehicle. I mean, you have a car that can be 700, 800 horsepower, but does it, take off? Does it put it to the ground? Is it handle? This car has it all. It does it all. And I mean, I'm just gonna stop talking and just let you guys enjoy this. Up to speed. It gets up to speed super quick. And I mean, if you want to just go in a straight line, it's quick. If you want to go on back roads, it's amazing. But honestly, this car, it shines on a racetrack. I mean, you can tell that this thing is just made and engineered for a racetrack. I've been in Lamborghinis, McLarens, everything. Something about a Porsche and the way it's engineered, and the fact that you can just launch these things all day, every day, and they just take it and, you know, keep going. It's something to say from, you know, Porsche. It's just an amazingly, you know, engineered car, and that's why a lot of my buddies stick to Porsche. I mean, my buddy Sonny, he went from a Porsche, a 991.1 GT3 RS in white, sold it, got an R8, and he said there was no comparison. The 3RS just does it all for him. So you got another one, a .1, and he just sold that .1 and got a .2, and says that the difference between the .1 and .2 is monumental. So, I mean, it's just crazy. But yeah, guys, I mean, amazing car, handles like a dream. I mean, I'm just gonna stop talking and let you guys enjoy the rest of, you know, the driving. But yeah, guys, so that's pretty much my review of the GT3 RS. I mean, it really doesn't get any better than this. I can understand why people buy this car and rave about this car. You can get in it and, you know, turn your awful day into an amazing day. You don't have to be at a racetrack to enjoy this thing. You can enjoy it, you know, going slow, cruising. The way it looks, the way it feels, it's an amazing car. The craftsmanship, inside, outside, it's just amazing. And you know, big thanks to the person that let me take this out. I really do appreciate it. It was an amazing experience. And thank you guys as always for watching. Stay tuned for more videos. Thanks.